This is Morten from INKISH TV, second day here at CPrint in Lyon. Totally great to be here for the second day. It's our last day actually, but it's still great. I just met Clemens from Imaging Solutions, right? But you are not just, you are at Imaging Solutions now, but you got an idea. Tell us a little bit about the idea before you got part of Imaging Solutions.
Yeah, sure. I'm Clemens from Xpozer, and I came up with the idea of having a very nice printed photo, but on a different way, that you can easily swap it with new prints, because people today make more than one great image, and also companies want to change their branding more often. So we designed a frame that tensions the photo with a spring, and therefore it becomes really strong, like it's a LED bond or metal print when you see it on the front, but also has the capabilities of changing it very easily and quickly.
And when I see something like this, it seems such like a simple idea, but I take that when you did it, there was nothing comparable in the market, right?
No. There were only options like a canvas or other substrates where you direct print on, and this is a different approach.
Yeah, because you have a lot of great options with this, but basically you can ship it in a very small footprint, because you can fold it and it still unfolds when you use this feather mechanism here. And then you have the corners, that is also a little bit unique, right?
Exactly, yeah. This is a rollable material, like a poster-like material, and after cutting there are stickers on each of the corners, and there the frame slides in the corners, and the spring make tensions on the photo and gives the strength of the material.
When we just met, you showed me this brochure, because basically you started with something called Xpozer. Yeah. That was more like selling the finished product, right?
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, the Xpozer is the finished product. So then you can upload your photo, and we are doing all the fulfillment. We are supplying the frame, and your photo that you upload is printed on the material and shipped to you.
Fantastic. When I see the photo here, first of all, I think it looks stunning because you have the material giving that really nice quality. But I also, of course, pay attention because I think that you intentionally had like a pixelated image here and a very clear image here. Why have you done that, and what is it you're showing here?
Yeah, that's a good question. We teamed up with Imaging Solution for a OEM version of the product for printing companies. They can buy the materials on raw and sell it to their customers. And one other product of Imaging Solutions is Viesus, it's an enhancement software, and that's what we're showing here. If you have pixelated photos, especially for large sizes, our sizes go up to 120 by 180 centimeters. Then you want to have all the detail, and Viesus is using artificial intelligence to improve the upscaling of your photo, and therefore you get very beautiful end results when printing
it is in my view, it is so perfect that I actually thought that you did it the opposite way. Is it true that you did it from the pixelated to here?
Yeah, there are also examples hanging over here. You can show the other techniques, how they work. There's also a face reconstruction, so the AI recognizes...
It recognizes eyes and hairs and these kind of things.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And Viesus is also sold by Imaging Solutions, right?
Right.
Yeah, and then you also present, I know maybe that's not so much your ball game, but you also have something called MyPrint.ai.
Yeah.
That is like generating images, right?
Yeah.
So does that mean that just as an example, everybody's talking about DALL-E right now, but this is basically a little bit more nature-like photos, the first thing I see here at least, right? So that means that you can basically take images from there, print on the quick wall and use the Viesus if you have something that is really large, and then basically you have a total ecosystem basically, right?
Right, yeah. But with Viesus we try to recreate what you see, so the reality, and with MyPrint we do the opposite. So we are generate new images that there weren't there. So we use AI to generate photo. If you have 10 to 20 photos that you upload in the MyPrint, then it generates 100 to 150 photos of your face or dog or cat in different teams. And you can printed on Xpozer, and then the different techniques are combined, because also the upscaling of the Viesus is used for the avatars to have a good print.
How new is it? Is it brand new, or how long time has it been on market? These three things you're talking about here? I mean, your frame and material, how long time has that been on market?
About 10 years ago.
10 years?
Yeah.
And I didn't know about it. I mean, stupid me, right?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, we started in the Netherlands.
Okay, and what about Viesus and MyPrint? How new is that?
MyPrint is just, I think, 1 or 2 months.
Okay, so that's brand new.
Yeah, that's
okay.
brand new, yeah.
Okay.
And Viesus is been on the market, but rebranded, and we have a different approach, I think 2 years ago.
With the imaging solutions, it seems like a good way to get out to the world, right?
Right, yeah, exactly.
Clemens, fantastic. Thank you for showing us, and thank you very much for this.
Yeah, my pleasure.